This is a story that's shaken an entire Texas community. A high school track meet turned into a crime scene. And now, one teen is dead, another is facing a possible life sentence. Today, we're breaking down everything we know about the case of Karmelo Anthony, the 18-year-old indicted for first-degree murder after the fatal stabbing of 17-year-old Austin Metcalf. It all happened on April 2nd during a Frisco ISD track meet at Kuykendall Stadium. What was supposed to be a normal school event quickly escalated into tragedy. According to police, a confrontation broke out between Anthony and Metcalf near a tent in the stadium bleachers. At 9:55 a.m., surveillance footage captured sudden movement, just moments before the fatal stabbing. Witnesses saw people running, and within minutes, emergency responders arrived. But Metcalf was in the stands, making it difficult for paramedics to reach him. The footage shows them returning the stretcher and instead carrying it directly into the bleachers. Tragically, Austin Metcalf didn't survive his injuries. Anthony was arrested the same day. Just 17 years old at the time, but under Texas law, that makes him an adult in the eyes of the justice system. On June 18th, a Collin County grand jury officially indicted him for first-degree murder. The charge carries a possible sentence of 5 to 99 years or even life in prison. Since mid-April, Anthony has been under house arrest on a reduced bond. Overlay, text on screen, charge, first-degree murder, age, 18, bond, reduced and released, status, house arrest. District Attorney Greg Willis acknowledged how deeply this case has impacted the local community, saying, "When something like this happens at a school event, it shakes people to the core. The justice system works best when it moves with steadiness and principle." He also urged the public to keep the Metcalf family in their thoughts and prayers. Austin's father, Jeff Metcalf, later said, "I fully believe justice will be served for my son, but it will never bring him back." On the other side, Karmelo Anthony's legal team says the public hasn't heard the full story yet. His attorney, Mike Howard, released a statement saying, "Karmelo and his family are confident in the justice system. We expect that when the full story is heard, the prosecution won't be able to rule out reasonable doubt." He added that Anthony may have acted in self-defense. The next step is assigning a trial judge and setting a first court date. That could happen in days or take months, but one thing is clear: this case is far from over. It's a painful reminder of how quickly life can change and how deeply violence impacts not just those involved, but entire communities. Two young lives, one gone forever, one hanging in the balance. We'll continue to follow this case as it develops. For more updates, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell.